The Google Meet class is in reference to micro-credentialing, and also during this presentation I will show you how you can also add closed captioning. Micro-credentialing, in terms of what it is based on digital certification and a formal and informal means for professional development and a skill or learning goal the educator aims to achieve. My targeted audience will be certified, classified staff, and students. The micro-credentialings that I used was Google Certified Level 1 and Level 2, Microsoft Teaching, and Participate Learning. There are several types of micro-credentials. I only focused on 3 here that are most common within the educational system: Google Certified, Microsoft Teaching, and Participate Learning. Because MPS also included a management team, which will be the principals, technology coordinators, and the department chairs as well. Funding, of course, most exams are free. The courses are free, but there is a small fee for the exams, usually no more than $10 to $25. Here are some Google certifications: Google Level 1, Level 2. You can also become a trainer or certified innovator, Microsoft Certified Expert, and Participate Learning. Also upon the horizon is Schoology, which is another platform that is now being used with the Montgomery Public School System.